Afternoon all. I've just been experimenting with colours. I just want to show you something, and if you're a colour guru on boards, on the boards and pieces, I'm picking the board solid colour. This is on the Blitz interface, and dark squares define custom colours. Now I'm choosing, sorry, I just want to make sure you see this 151, 203, 255 for this blue. If you think you can do better with that colour, I would like a blue combination ideally, and the light squares are, I think, well, it's 240, 240, 224. So if you want to make a note of that and suggest any different blue, this is a lighter blue than earlier. So let's have a game with this. Just experimenting with a solid colour, because I think the solid colour's got something going for it if you can get the right colour codes. So let's play a 5-minute game again. Okay, so totoff 2100. Maybe Sicilian defense. Maybe a dragon. Let's go to a dragon. Quick D5 here. H5. What about H5? That's interesting. G5, knight H7. Could I get in trouble here? This E5, is that really silly? I'm weakening D5. But what about knight F4 after? Oh, he's got like knight F5. It's quite dangerous. This queen H4 check is interesting. Bishop F2. Queen H2 after. I might flick that in.
Check.
Is my queen getting trapped? Knight F4 here. It's the sort of thing you do in a King's Engine. Knight D4? I mean, it looks as though that's sort of interesting. We're going to play Bishop E6 and Rook C8. These knights look pretty good. Not losing a piece just yet. Bishop F4 takes. I'm protecting. So that's interesting. If I can get Bishop E6 in, that'd be cool. Yeah, so this blue contrast is less than earlier this morning. Okay, if I take with the pawn, liberate the bishop a bit. Actually, knight takes F3 just seems to be quite juicy here. Can't see anything wrong with that. In fact, taking on Bishop H6 as well. There's Bishop E5 here, or Knight G1. I think just taking on G1 looks good. Okay. I can take on H2, I think. Be a nuisance with this sort of move. Queen F2. I'm on the dark squares. So I think Queen E3 to protect. Mind you, he can play Queen F4. Is that a bit silly? He's got Queen F4. I've just dropped my F pawn. Okay. F3 here or Queen E3? I think Queen. I'll try Queen E3.
Check.
What is he actually threatening? Is he threatening something? If I play Bishop G4, he takes that. Bishop E6, just to make sure my rooks are connected. Actually, Rook D8 to follow could be good. So maybe that e5, it seemed horrendous positioning e5, but it seemed to cause some sort of trouble. I mean, I should take that, because queen takes rook d8. Rook takes was queen e1. I don't want this knight e7 check. 2 rooks for the queen. Don't think about knight d7 going to a horrible self pin. He might do it. He's on f7. Let's see. He's not really going to do 2 rooks for the queen. Oh, he's resigned. Oh, okay. Yeah, please let me know about the colours on this one then. So I'm just experimenting with colours at the moment. So Dart Square, the colour code is, okay, if you're a colour guru, it's 151-203-255. Okay, comments or questions on YouTube? Thanks very much.